This is Lawrence from Group A1. Today we are gonna talk about Chapter 7, Segmentation, Targeting, and Positioning. So for my part, I'm gonna talk about segmentation, targeting, and positioning, which is STP, are three interrelated marketing concepts that businesses use to effectively reach their target audience and improve their chances of success. Segmentation involves in dividing a larger market into smaller groups of consumers with smaller needs, wants, or characteristics. This helps business tailor their marketing efforts to meet the unique needs of each group rather than using a one-size-fits-all approach. Targeting is a process of selecting the specific segments of market that a business wants to focus on. This involves evaluating of the potential profitability of each segment and deciding which ones are worth investing resources into. By targeting specific segments, businesses can more effectively accurate resources and develop marketing strategies and that resonate with those consumers. Positioning involves creating a distinct image or identity for a brand or product in the minds of consumers within the targeted segments. This can be achieved by emphasizing unique features or benefits comparing against competitors, or highlighting how the product or brand meets the specific needs of the target segment. Effective positioning can help a brand differentiate itself from competitors, establish a strong reputation, and increase consumer loyalty. Designing a customer-driven marketing strategy involves understanding and addressing the needs and the preference of your target audience. By focusing on customer, business can develop effective marketing campaigns that resonate with their target audience and drive sales. Here are keys. Here are the key steps to designing a consumer-driven marketing strategy. Conduct market research. Before developing a marketing strategy, it's important to understand your target audience. This includes researching their demographics, interests, behaviors, and the preference. This information can be gathered through surveys, focus groups, and online analytics. Define your value proposition. A value proposition is a statement that communicates the unique value that your product or service provides customers. This should be based on the insights gathered from market research and should emphasize the benefit that they are most important to your target audience. Develop your marketing mix. The marketing mix consists of four key elements: product, price, promotion, and a place. Each of these elements should be tailored to meet the needs of your target audience. For example, if your target audience is price sensitive, you may want to focus on offering competitive pricing. If they are more concerned with quality, you may want to emphasize the feature and the benefits of your product. Implement your marketing strategy. Once your marketing mix is in place, it's time to implement your marketing strategy. This may involve creating advertising campaigns, developing social media content, and building relationships with influencers in your industry. Evaluate your results. Finally, it's important to track the success of your marketing strategy and make adjustments as needed. This involves monitoring metrics such as website traffic, social media engagement, and sales conversions. By continually evaluating your results, you can ensure that your marketing strategy remains effective and relevant to your target audience. Geographic segmentation is a marketing strategy that involves dividing market into smaller segments based on the geographic location of consumers. This segmentation can be based on focus on several factors such as country, state, city, region, climate, or population density. Geographic segmentation is important because different geographic locations have different needs and characteristics. For example, customers in different regions may have different preferences, cultures, or purchasing behaviors. By understanding these differences, business can tailor their marketing efforts and products to meet the specific needs and the preference of consumer or customer in each geographic segment. Geographic segmentation is commonly used in industry such as retail, tourism, and hospitality, where location plays a significant role in consumer behavior. It can be used by business and determine the best location for new stores or to target specific regions for advertising campaigns. There are 3 points of demographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation is a marketing strategy that involves dividing a market into smaller segments based on the demographic variable such as age, gender, income, education level, material status, occupation, and society. This type of segmentation is used to identify the specific needs, preferences, and the behaviors of different groups of customers based on their demographic characteristics. Demographic segmentation is an effective strategy because people are similar with similar demographic characteristics often have similar needs, interests, and behaviors. For example, young adults may be more interested in technology products, while older adults may be more interested in healthcare or retirement services. Demographic segmentation is commonly used by business to develop targeted marketing campaigns, product design, and pricing strategies. It can also be used to identify potential new markets and to segment existing markets for more effective communication and promotion. This is my part. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jia Zhao. In Chapter 7, we immediately learned about market segmentation. So I will finish the last page about this Chapter 7. So in the first, we can see there have the behavior segmentation. This segmentation has 5 points. Those points can be listed as Halloween in the picture. The price weight of goods priced during traditional factories and the state of the factories are high. The next is business segmentation. This is also called the multiple segmentation. It is better defined target groups. And the last page is check your understanding. This page just check if you understand what is segmentation and help you to understand more about segmentation with your classmates in the classroom. And next is segmenting business market. Business use additional basis of segmentation. We can see there are 4 points to explain the business. After we talk about the business segmentation, we turn to the international market. First of all, there are 4 points to explain how the international market works. The first is geographical location. Geographical location is good start for a call, and the surrounding food will affect the development for the market. The second is economic factors, which has been updated. Geographical location shows the economic development of this place. The third is political and legal factors. The first cultural factors should also respect local culture important in the market. And the intermarket segmentation is segmenting customers who have similar needs and buying behavior, even though they are located in different countries. Next is requirements for effective segmentation. We can see there are the 5 points to be effective market segments must be. Market targeting. Market targeting have 2 segments. One is evaluating segments. One is selecting segments. Number 2 is target marketing. There are 4 points to explain this. One is on differently marketing and not marketing, macro marketing. Also, the last page is evaluating market segments. We can see this segment is in the market targeting, so have 5 points in this segments. So okay, that's my part about the chapter 7. Next person is Haoyuan Li, so he will explain the last page.
Hello everyone, I'm Haoyuan Li, and we just learned about how to segment the international market, but effective segmentation must have the following conditions, such as measurable, accessible, substantial, differentiable, and actionable. The market and the target are inseparable. We have to position the market to choose the right target marketing. And there are 5 factors to assess the market, like competitors, new entrant, substitute product, relative power of buyers, and the power of suppliers. And we can call it the 5 forces. Marketing is also divided into many different kinds, of which undifferentiated marketing will ignore the market segment. In the concentrated marketing, the company will pursue the huge share of one or several market segment, while micro marketing is where the company tailors its product and marketing program to the need of a specific group of people. Micro marketing also include local marketing and individual marketing. local marketing is more inclined to fully meet the market demand of the target market country, adapt to the culture of the regional, use the local business talent and business organization to produce and sell product and service adapt to the specific region. While individual marketing is more inclined to individuals or groups to achieve the desired purpose through self-introduction. So it is important to choose a targeting strategy and need to be judged by the company's resource, the product variability, and the stage of the product life cycle. The variability of the market and the marketing stages of competitors. And the next, socially responsible marketing is when companies take on certain social responsibilities, such as donating to charities, protect the environment, and establish hope schools. Therefore, the core of socially responsibility marketing is trust marketing. But it is very important is that social responsibility trumps profitability. If in front are seen as exploitative or irresponsible, and next, we have two charts below, one for perception chart and one for positioning chart. They are often used by companies to determine how customer perception of product and place the product occupies in mind of consumers relative to competitors. That's all. Thank you. And next to the Yawen song.
Following the previous topic, we are now going to discuss on differentiation and positioning. One key factor to be successful in the marketing has to be closely related with product positioning, which means understanding the customer's perception of product and place the product occupies in minds of customers relative to its competitors. Perceptual maps are very good tools for business to achieve the goal. In the next slide, we have an example of perception map for large luxury SUVs. There are a number of models from different make. It clearly shows the aspects on a product from the customer's point of view, including the price, luxuries, and the performance of these vehicles. It helps the company to identify the advantages of their product and to develop their marketing stages. For example, a company could deliver more value and better customer experience if they understand what advantages of a product they are promoting. Furthermore, the company can differentiate their product in multiple ways depending on what the category of product they're delivering. We have included a chart in the slide to better elaborate this. To achieve those above, the business could state the benefit of the product or service they promise to delivering using the statement possible value promotions. For example, they can state more for the less if they are delivering more goods for the less price compared to their competitors and they showcase the differentiation. An example of the positioning process has been included in the slide. It can be summarized as identifying the characteristics and nature, making decisions on which differentiation or benefit the most, and crafting statement that best suits this product. During the process, the business must constantly monitor their product position regarding on the feedback the market has responded. Adaptation and marketing mix effort are often critical to increase the effectiveness of their campaign. In review, the key concepts of this chapter would be to focusing on creating a customer-driven strategy using the market segmentation, targeting, differentiation, and positioning. The major point would be to create a tailor-fit strategy for the targeted customer group and keep refining the campaign to maximize the effectiveness, as the market would always change and the demands are different in different area and location.